If you've been on LinkedIn a while and built up a number of connections, it can be difficult to keep track of who you're connected to and how you know them. So one great option is LinkedIn gives you the chance to export your entire list of connections in one simple manageable spreadsheet. Here's how it works. Firstly, go to your menu where it says Me, click on the drop down arrow, and then here go to Settings and Privacy for your account. You want to select this tab, which is Privacy, and you go all the way down to the section that says Download Your Data. Next to that, you can click Change. Download an archive of your data, post connections or more, and there are two options here. So one is the works, so perhaps you want a full copy of everything that LinkedIn has stored records for yourself, and then you've got this option which is Pick and Choose. Select the data files you're most interested in. So it's actually expanded from what you could originally just get, which was a list of names, business roles and email addresses, and that's still there available with selecting connections. And as it says there, all you need to do is click Request Archive and your download will be ready. You'll be notified by email and then you can access that file. But alternatively, you can actually choose some other things, so you can have the details on the articles you've got, messages that have sent, anything like that in addition. But I'm just going to say Request Archive. As it's a request about the information in your account, you have to reconfirm your password. And now that, as it says, the email will be sent on its way. So it's really simple. Once you get that file, you can, it's a .csv file, comma separated value file. You can simply save that as a spreadsheet, a .xls, or whatever spreadsheet software you use. Potentially it could be imported into the likes of email systems, but be very wary of GDPR and all that side of things. Probably better off just to review in simple columns on the spreadsheet who it is, when you want to contact them, how you might want to stay in touch going forward in a business manner. Okay, so that's it from me. I'm Paul from PR Wilson Media, your social media personal trainer. Cheers.